Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Huawei Mate 20 Lite with a very cracked display, and look at this. It's really bad. So let's go fix it. With David, let's go. So this Huawei Mate 20 Lite seems to have been opened before. You can see from the back cover, it's the coating underneath the glass has been scraped off or delaminated. Very evident when you try to scrape off the adhesive from the back cover. This looks good when it's brand new, but now it looks like it's cracked at the back, but it's just delamination of the gold coating. So we're gonna remove this. It's gonna be easy as expected. You can see the internal components. Unfortunately, there's a fingerprint scanner flex cable that's attached to the back cover. We need to be careful of that. It's kind of long, so it's okay for you to pull it out quite a bit. We're gonna unscrew the cover for the main board to expose the connectors. We're gonna test if the display will work on this one. We have this main board and connectors over the battery. Now we attach them. This is a service pack specifically for this model, straight out of the box. Look at that. It comes with its own frame. The frame is black, so it doesn't match the original color for this Huawei Mate 20 Lite, but it's gonna work just the same. We're gonna attach the flex cable into the main board while the phone is partially disassembled and turn it on. And look at that. It's kind of dull right now because it's still got the plastic cover over it. And we'll wait for it to boot up. It's still booting up, but the brightness on the display is quite dim. And look at that. We're in the home screen, but the smartphone, I believe, is in low battery mode, so you can't really see anything. We'll plug it in on the charger, see if we can see anything. Yep, still dim. So we're gonna try to shut this phone down and continue with our disassembly and replacement of the screen. But unfortunately, after this, David has turned off the camera and he was not able to resume the recording. So we're gonna pop right off into the final product. And there it is. The display is black. You can see there. It's working. The back cover is still good. And this is the old one. Sorry for the lack of footage on this one. So it's really a technical error. David is doing the recording and the repair, so it's a one-man team. So I hope you understand. We're gonna clean this off. We're gonna show you the installation of the tempered glass at least to make up for the lost footage. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Like and subscribe still. And we'll see you again next time. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And we're gonna use this tempered glass because it fits. And there you go. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?